Unlock effortless spending worldwide with your trusty Monzo card. First things first, let's make sure your Monzo app is ready for adventure. Open your Monzo app and tap on the Account tab, usually at the bottom of the screen. Then, look for the worldwide spending option. Ensure this is enabled. This simple step ensures your card is active for international transactions. Now, let's talk about using your card abroad when you're buying something in a shop or restaurant. Simply present your Monzo card like you normally would. The app will automatically detect your location and use the most favorable exchange rate. You'll receive a notification almost instantly in your Monzo app, showing you exactly how much you spent in the local currency and the equivalent in British pounds, with all fees clearly displayed. Why euro? Usually, there are none for spending. Need cash? Withdrawing money from ATMs abroad with Monzo is just as straightforward and often fee-free up to a certain limit each month. Find a local ATM, insert your Monzo card, and follow the on-screen prompts to withdraw your desired amount. Again, you'll see the transaction appear in your app immediately, showing the local cash dispensed and the GBP equivalent, along with any ATM provider fees. Remember to check your Monzo app's fees section for the most up-to-date information on international withdrawal limits and potential charges from third-party ATM providers. It's your ultimate travel finance companion.